Good morning everyone, welcome to Markets Daily by Bajaj Broking. I am Hardik, your host and guide to the latest market insights. Let's dive into today's top news and key updates shaping the financial landscape. First on the news is NBCC India Limited, which has secured a substantial contract worth 1,726 crore rupees to execute various redevelopment projects across Goa. This award expands NBCC's project portfolio in the region, enhancing infrastructure development. Second on the news is Infosys, which has completed the acquisition of Blitz 24893 SE, Germany, through its wholly owned Singapore subsidiary. This acquisition strengthens the capabilities and presence of Infosys in the European market. Thirdly, Bank of Baroda has decided to adjust its deposit and loan growth targets, aiming to sustain margins by lowering these targets amid the current market environment. Lastly, in the equities market, FIIs net sold 3,036.75 crore rupees, while DIIs net bought 4,159.29 crore rupees in Monday's session. Three major companies have announced their Q2 results for FY 24-25. Bharti Airtel reported a revenue of 41,473 crore rupees with a substantial 186% year-over-year surge in profit after tax (PAT) to 3,593 crore rupees. Sun Pharma posted consolidated revenue of 13,264 crore rupees, achieving a PAT of 3,040 crore rupees. Meanwhile, Ambuja Cement recorded consolidated revenue of 7,516 crore rupees with PAT at 473 crore rupees. These results show strong financial performances across the telecommunications, pharmaceuticals, and cement sectors. Now, turning our focus to the Indian markets, GIFT Nifty suggests a flat to positive opening for the Indian markets and is likely to consolidate in the broad range of 24,000 to 24,700. Let's look at the market in the previous session. The Indian equity markets ended positively on 28th October, breaking a 5-day losing streak. Nifty saw a strong performance, nearly reaching the 24,500 mark intraday. This rally was led by robust buying across various sectors, notably in banking and metal stocks, which contributed to the market's upward momentum. At close, the Sensex was up 602.75 points or 0.76% at 80,005.04, and the Nifty was up 158.35 points or 0.65% at 24,339.15. All sectoral indices closed in positive territory with standout performances from the PSU Bank Index, which surged by 3.8%, and the Metal Index, which added 2.5%. Other sectors, including pharma, media, and realty, also saw gains of over 1% each. The broader market indices followed suit, with the BSE Mid-Cap Index rising 0.7% and the Small Cap Index gaining 1%. This broad-based buying reflects positive sentiment across different segments of the market, contributing to the overall upward trend. Nifty outlook for short term. The Nifty has been maintaining a lower high and lower low pattern, indicating a corrective bias. It has broken down its key neckline level of 24,750. We believe this breakdown has important support near 24,000 followed by 23,780, which corresponds to the 50% retracement of previous swing. If the index holds above supply area of 24,500 to 24,520, then an upward move towards the 24,750 to 24,800 range could still be in play. Let's look at intraday levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty. For Nifty, resistance is situated at 24,525 followed by 24,680 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 24,170 followed by 23,975. For Bank Nifty, resistance is situated at 51,610 followed by 51,885 levels. Conversely, downside support is located at 51,030 followed by 50,740. Talking about global markets, US benchmark equity indexes closed higher on Monday as traders anticipated major technology earnings later in the week. The Dow Jones rose 0.7% to 42,387.6, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite both up 0.3%. Financials led the gainers, while energy and tech were the only sectors to close lower. In other assets, the US 10-year yield rose by 4.6 basis points to 4.28%, and the 2-year yield gained 3.5 basis points to 4.13%. Commodities saw mixed movement. Gold rose slightly to $2,756.10 per ounce, silver was stable at $33.8, and oil prices dropped 5.3% to $68 per barrel amid reduced concerns over energy supply disruptions. Let's delve into the developments in the Asian markets. Asian equities traded within a narrow range as investors awaited the US election and key economic data ahead of the upcoming Federal Reserve decision. Japan's Nikkei 225 rose 0.1% to 38,660, while the Topix index gained 0.3% to 2,665, marking a second consecutive session of gains. Investors are now focused on the Bank of Japan's policy decision on Thursday, with expectations of steady rates. Australia's S&P ASX 200 climbed 0.4% to 8,250, rising for a third straight session. Taking a closer look at the derivative data, let's analyze the insights into Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty options for today's trading session. For Nifty, highest call OI is positioned at 25,000 followed by 24,500 level, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at 24,000 followed by 23,500 level. Put OI addition was seen at strikes below 24,300 along with call unwinding at similar strikes, indicating stiff support at lower levels. If the index moves below 24,300, it can touch 24,000, whereas on the upside, 24,800 is a crucial resistance. According to option chain analysis, broader range for Nifty is 24,000 and 24,500. The Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 0.96. For Bank Nifty, highest call OI is positioned at 52,000 followed by 53,000 level, whereas the highest put OI is positioned at the 50,000 followed by 50,500 level. Put OI addition was seen at strikes below 51,300 along with call unwinding at 51,000 and 51,500 strikes, indicating stiff support at lower levels. If the index moves below 51,000, it can touch 50,500, whereas on the upside, 51,800 is a crucial resistance. According to option chain analysis, broader range for Bank Nifty is 51,000 and 52,000. The Bank Nifty put call ratio is now positioned at 0.78. For Fin Nifty, highest call OI has been noted at 24,100 level, which will serve as immediate resistance, whereas the major put OI has been noted at 23,500 level followed by 23,700, which will serve as crucial zone. Fin Nifty is likely to trade within the range of 23,700 to 24,000 level. And that's all for today. To delve deeper into today's market insights and analysis, check out the caption below. See you tomorrow for more updates. Investments in the security markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents before investing.